Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure and my name is Subhan Arshad. So today I am going to review the next generation of the Grand i10, which is the Grand i10 Neos with the BS6 engine. This is the 2020 model. So the length of the car is 3805 mm, width is 1680 mm, height is 1520 mm. This is a diesel variant. Maximum power it generates at 74 bhp on 4000 rpm. Maximum torque is 190 Nm on 1750 rpm. Mileage that company claims is 25.5 kmpl. I think it doesn't give that much. If we talk about the driver train, which is front wheel drive known as FWD, air conditioner is automatic, which is known as automatic climate control. 4 power windows, all the power windows in the front and rear. Central locking, anti-lock braking system, which is known as ABS. Front and rear tire size is the same, 175 60 R17. Sorry, R15, not 17. If we talk about the safety features, there are 2 airbags, seat belt warning, ABS with EBD, engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing door lock, child safety lock. If we talk about the comfort and convenience of the car, there is an automatic climate control, front AC and the rear AC vents with heater, vanity mirrors on sun visor only on the co-driver side, cabin boot access is also available, anti-glare mirrors, manually internal only, parking assist, reverse camera, parking sensor at the rear, keyless start, steering adjustment is tilt, 12-volt power outlets, seat and upholstery, 4-way manually adjustable co-passenger seat, driver side seat is 6-way manually adjustable, rear row seat is 2-way manually adjustable, leather wrapped steering wheel, rear passenger seats type is bench, interior is of dual tone grey and black, folding rear seat is full, front seat pockets are also there. There are front and rear headrests, both are not adjustable. If we talk about the storage, front cup holders, cooled glove box is also there. All 4 power windows, 1 touch down only for the driver, adjustable ORVMs, turn indicators on ORVMs, rear defogger, rear wiper, exterior door handles, interior door handles, door pockets front and rear, boot lid opener, electrically tailgate release, outside rear view mirrors is body colored, roof rails are also present, roof mounted antenna is also there, body colored bumpers are also there, daytime running LED is also there, fog lights are also there, halogen project on front, headlights biaxial projector, follow me home lamp is also there, tail lights halogen, cabin lamp front which is of yellow color, headlight adjuster. If we talk about the instrumentation, instrument cluster analog plus digital, trip meter is of electronic 2 trips, average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, clock, low fuel level warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, shift indicator, tachometer, instantaneous consumption. If we talk about the entertainment and communication, smart connectivity, Android, Apple CarPlay, integrated music system, display sizes 8 or 7 inches, 4 speakers, USB capability, aux capability, Bluetooth capability, MP3 playback, FM radio, iPod capability, steering mounted controls, voice command. If we talk about the manufacturing warranty, which is of 3 years, 1 lakh km, the engine of this car is of 1186 cc, 3-cylinder inline, 4-valve cylinder DOHC. Engine type is 1.2 U2 CRDI. Fuel type is diesel. The mileage that company is 25.1 kmpl. Driving range on the single full tank is 950 9 to 8.7 kilometer, which means 928.7 kilometer. 5-speed manual gearbox, turbocharged engine. Emission norms, which is stand for BS6. Dimensions are as follows. I have told you the wheelbase is of 2450 mm. Boot capacity is 260 liters. Fuel tank capacity is 37 liters. The suspension setup is more like this. Front is Mack Persian strut with gas type shock absorber. Rear is coupled torsion beam axle. Front are disc brakes. Rear are drum power as assist electric steering wheel. Alloy wheels, spare wheel, steel wheel. The colors which are available in this car are Alpha Blue, Aqua Teal, Titan Grey, Fiery Red, Typhoon Silver, Polar White. So this is all about the car. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Any query will be answered in the comment section. So please, if there will be any query, ask me in the comment section. And if you want a comparison of Nios with any other car, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you.